and improving its quality, as well as packing the rice for distribution to domestic and foreign markets. The rice is marketed under the recognised trademark Royal Umbrella and various other trademarks. The production capacity is 1,080,000 metric tons per year. Standardised quality management is applied during the whole production process. By starting at the transport and delivery of the raw material, every truck delivering raw material has to go through a weight check carried out by officials and controlled by the latest computer program verifying the exact weight of the load. After the weight check, the trucks unload the raw material at the intake for incoming raw material to be prepared for the improvement of the rice quality as the next step. The Nakhon Luang rice processing plant has 8 warehouses with a total capacity of storing 240,000 metric tons of raw material. The interior of these warehouses have been specially designed for the purpose of ensuring adequate ventilation, which helps to prolong the quality level of the stored raw material. As the special structure of the warehouse does not require a centre column, a large amount of raw material can be stored, and therefore efficiency is increased, which consequently increases storage capacity and reduces transport costs. For the process of improving the quality of rice, the plant was designed as a completely closed building structure in order to ensure a suitable environment inside the production building. The surface of the floor inside the building is absolutely smooth without any seams, which is helpful in reducing the accumulation of fine dust. Having taken into account the preserving of hygiene and safety at every step of the production process, the materials selected for use in the production inside the building do not cause any contamination of the rice while it is undergoing the production process. It is reasonable to claim that this building constitutes the same separated from each other according to their function, in order to facilitate controlling and monitoring the running of all machines so as to ensure good production management. The machines in use work with high efficiency and are of the latest technology. They comprise a cleaner that gets rid of large foreign objects and those which are smaller than rice grains, a destoner which gets rid of foreign objects heavier than rice grains, a polisher which removes the outer skin of the rice grains, making them look shiny and more appetizing, a rotary sifter which selects only the perfectly shaped rice grains for consumer satisfaction, a length grader which selects rice grains according to their length to meet the internationally recognized standards, a color sorter which gets rid of foreign objects that might pose a health hazard to consumers. Luang Rice Processing Plant stresses the importance of work safety, hygienic conditions and a sound environment, and therefore a dust extracting system has been designed which is in operation during the whole production process in order to protect the environment of the communities adjacent to the plant. The processing plant carefully selects machinery of all the types to be used in the production process to be certain that the product purchased by customers is of high quality, hygienic and in compliance with food safety standards. A modern computer program controls the functioning of the machines, and a closed circuit system checks the work process at crucial points in order to increase production efficiency. The quality control is conducted by a team of experts responsible for examining and supervising the quality of the raw material by making use of apparatuses such as the Rapid Viscosity Analyzer (RVA), the Moisture Balance Analyzer, and the DNA Analyzer. The quality of packaging is checked by a Universal Testing Machine (UTM). Products still undergoing the production process are checked by a colorimeter and a single kernel moisture tester, and ready-made goods are checked by a texture analyzer. Last but not least, in order to meet customers' demand, research and development of new products is carried out in the sensory evaluation room. A distinguishing feature of the plant is its showroom, where 170,000 samples of raw material and ready-made products are on display, serving as support for inquiries made about products and responding to suggestions made by customers fast and effectively. 5 vessels can dock at the same time, enabling the shipping of more than 400,000 containers per year. and therefore facilitating the transport and delivery of goods to the final destinations of ultimate customers domestically, as well as the exporting of goods to more than 100 countries on all continents around the world. The plant has been awarded various certificates of international standardization, such as the ISO 9001 version 2000. Determination and intention of CalCP Company Limited to commit itself to increasing the potential of the production of Thai rice for becoming truly recognized as high quality rice around the world.